Hello guys, welcome to Abby and Filter TV, and today we will be having merienda dito sa Tula Coffee Shop sa Candaba, Santa Ana Road, Santa Ana, Pampanga. Maganda itong coffee shop na to kasi napakaluwag. Papakita natin later on sa video. Maluwag tong coffee shop na to. I think they have more than 10 tables and mukhang masarap yung pastry nila. Tikman natin. Una, tikman natin itong coffee. Yan, Tula Coffee Shop. Sa mga hindi Kapampangan, Tula sa aming mga Kapampangan means tuwa or masaya, saya. So it means Tula Coffee Shop. So tuwa coffee shop, masaya, natutuwa tayo. No? So it's one good thing. It's a nice name for a coffee shop. Sige, tignan natin itong kanilang Tula Coffee. Yan. Oh wow! Okay, masarap yung coffee nila, no? The coffee is fresh and alam natin na is freshly grind, and yung coffee na ginamit nila, I don't know kung what type of bean, but it's somehow nutty. It has a nutty flavor. Tapos yung pagkakatimpla is creamy. It's very, very good, no? So if you have time, try nyo tong Tula coffee nila. It's a cold coffee. Wow. Ayan. Ito actually yung order ko. Yan. Ang tawag yata nito is nacho, no? So, nacho. So this is a pastry na usong-uso ngayon, and we have the pistachio flavor for sure. Yan, tikman natin. Oy. Wow. Unang comment ko, hindi pinilit yung lasa. Masarap. And medyo, I can say na social yung lasa niya, no? Okay? So, every bite is bold. Every bite is flavorful. At nakakasosyal siyang kainin. Okay? So, hello sa mga nagbi-video sa akin sa likod. Hello sa inyo. Yan. Papakita natin sila. Hey, follow niyo ako sa Facebook, ha? Alright. Sige. So, tikman natin yung... Yan. May mga fans ako sa likod ng camera, eh. Yeah. Sige. And let's try their Oreo cheesecake. Yeah. Wow! Sarap. Sarap na Oreo cheesecake nila. Nakatingin na si Kaya kasi order niya to, eh, no? Wow! Yung Oreo cheesecake nila, balancing yung lasa. And